Most fireplaces in modern homes, generally built after the 1970s, are what's known as a manufactured unit. This is actually a metal firebox inside of here. These panels here are actually a decorative panel. They're known as refractory panels, and they just kind of heat up and help radiate some of the heat inside. The chimneys for these systems are really just decorative. The actual flue is a metal flue pipe that goes up through the roof, and the chimney structure around it is pretty much just to hide that. Now, these are generally gas burners. You typically don't see too many wood burning manufactured fireplaces, just because it's generally not rated for the heat that you get with a wood fire. Now, to operate this, these usually have a gas valve with a key. You turn the key slightly, and you would light it just like you'd light a barbecue. We'll wait for the gas to come out. It takes a little bit here. There it goes. Now it's lit. We'll turn up the gas a bit. There it goes. And there we have it. Now, these typically provide pretty good heat into the room, but they are mostly decorative. It's not quite the same as a wood-burning fireplace, but this is a safer, cheaper, and also cleaner alternative.